Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing another FE review problem. In this case we have an engineering economics problem. So this one reads, Engineer 1 Construction purchases a piece of machinery for $200,000. The machinery has an expected salvage value of $18,000 after 5 years of use. Using the method of straight line depreciation, what is the book value of the machinery after 3 years? So the key words here are straight line depreciation and book value. And the formulas for straight line depreciation and book value are found on page 231 on the FE review manual. For this video, I'm just going to write them out for us. And we also need to keep in mind the dollar amounts that we were given. So our very first step is we need to determine the annual depreciation for the machinery. So the formula that we need for that is this one, which, like I said, can be found on page 231 of the FE review manual. It's going to be that, and this is the annual depreciation. C is the initial cost. This is going to be the expected salvage value after n years, and then n is just the amount of years for our scenario. So in this case, it's going to be $200,000 for the initial cost minus the expected salvage value after 5 years, which is $18,000, and then n is just going to be 5 years, because it goes with what we were told in the problem. And that is going to be equal to $36,400. So that is the annual depreciation for the piece of machinery as time goes on. Now we need to find the book value after 3 years. So book value is this formula here. Book value is the initial cost minus n times the annual depreciation for the machine. So in this case, we have $200,000 as our initial cost minus 3 years in this case times the annual depreciation, which is $36,400. So then we just need to solve that, and we get our answer, which in this case is $90,800. So if we go to our multiple choice, our answer is B. So that was a pretty straightforward problem for today, engineering economics. If you would like to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe and leave a like, and comment if you have any questions or any suggestions for material I can cover in the future. And I'll see you in the next video.